What's going on, my YouTube fam? It's your boy Emoneyshoes, back to you with another another Mr. Cheapo deal out on this Aloha Friday. Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna drop it today. I might drop it today. We'll see. Screw it, I'll drop it today. Two videos today, gonna do a double take. I got one more call. I'll probably drop that video tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We can just chop it up what you like about my content, what you don't like about it. Like I said, I already know a lot of people want those on feet, so you ask and you shall receive, but you're gonna have to wait till 2019 for that one. All right, so 2019 I'm gonna start doing the on feet. Also, don't forget, like I said again, Bring the Pain podcast, 8 p.m. Make sure you tune in, get it in, and then we can all go watch the fight after for everybody who want to watch the fight. Right? Tyson Fury, Wilder, who you got? All right. Also on that, by the way, please believe me, I don't keep all of these shoes. I'm doing a little bit of early Christmas shopping, getting the peeps out of the way. The nieces, the cousins, the aunties, the uncles, all that good stuff. My cheerings, all of that. So I'm just gonna pick this up for my dad. Gonna ship this out to him. And here we go. This is the Air Max 95 SE. We both were the same size, 10, 10 and a half, 11. This colorway is Wolf Gray, Blue Nebula. It's called a Blue Nebula Pinwheel. So Air Max 95, suggested retail price, 170 of them things from Foot Locker. Then you got that up there. You got your the stamp. But look at this deal right here. Look at that price. $30. $30. The shoe regular is $85. So I'm just saying. And I always try to keep it 100 with everybody. You see you got that green little QC in there. I mean, $30 for 95. What you gonna do? I mean, really, what can you complain about on this shoe? Check it out. Just look at it. I mean, ain't nothing too spectacular, but $30 is $30. Underneath, all black, Nike Air. Got a little bit of hits. Yeah, now I know it, but it's nice and clear. Kind of got like a nylon material here on this gray silver. Got this blue, this royal blue up here going on there. I know your boy Alias would be proud. You also got the Nike stitching. You got that Georgetown type blue with the orange and sportswear with the stitchings. Also on the side, you got your, I don't know if this gray, yeah, look purple on, like a purplish gray. Then you got your pinwheel right there. Got some more of these blue hits. Underneath, you can see you got that blue air unit, which is dope. Coming around on the back side, you got, this is leather here with your Nike Air. On the medial side, same thing. Maybe if I was gonna keep them, I would do a lace swap. Maybe I need to buy a personal pair. I mean, 95s for that price. You can't go wrong to add to the collection. A good shoe to walk around. Then inside, you got the Nike Air as well. Production date 11/15/17 to 3/13/18. So you guys let me know by leaving a comment suggestion below. Would this be a cop for this price? Or would it still be a no-look pass? Like I said, hit that notification bell. We're trying to get to that 1,300 by the end of next month, and we're gonna keep on moving this thing going up. It's your boy Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.